Another example is to express 3.142 as a fraction in its simplest form. Solution. This fraction can be written as 3.142 over 1. Now it has 3 decimal places, so we multiply by 1,000, 3 zeros. The same thing to the denominator, multiplied by 1,000. And this would give us 3,142 over 1,000. The next thing to do is to then bring this to its simplest form. Now let's divide by 2. 3,142 divided by 2 over 1,000 divided by 2. Now, 2 in 3, that is 1, remember 1. In 11, that is 5, remember 1. In 14, that is 7. And then in 2, that is 1. Over 2 in 1,000 will give us 500. Now, we've divided 3,142 divided by 2, and we got 1,571. And then 1,000 divided by 2 gave us 500. If you check, you will discover that there are no other factors to this. So we can then convert this into a mixed fraction. Now 500 will go in 1,573 times. So we have to divide that. Now we see that we have 1,571 divided by 500. This will go 3 times. And when we apply 3 times 500, we'll get 1,500. Now subtract this and you have a remainder of 71. Therefore, our final answer is that 3.142 equals 30 number 71 over 500. And this is how we convert this from decimal to fraction. Thank you.